case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a securities violation lawsuit, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit ruled on the case of Armstrong v. McAlpin in 1980. The case centered around the articulation and enforcement of conflict of interest rules within law firms, providing important clarification around situations when a firm may be disqualified from a case. Clovis McAlpin and Capital Growth Real Estate Fund, Inc., the defendants, issued an appeal on their failed motion to disqualify the law firm defending the plaintiffs, claiming conflict of interest. They held that the former government attorney in the Gordon law firm, representing the plaintiffs, had an implied appearance of impropriety. However, the court decreed that the apparent impropriety tied to the attorneys' association with the firm was feeble and did not warrant disqualification. It emphasized that the mere appearance of impropriety does not necessitate disqualification, particularly when the risk of tainting the trials is non-evident. The court underscored a cautious approach to disqualifying attorneys, stating that a hurried rush to disqualification does not cater to the interests of fairness and efficiency in the judicial process. They upheld the district court's decision that the Gordon law firm's continued representation of the plaintiffs presented no risk to the trial's integrity, thereby denying the defendants' appeal. The court held that all ethical controversies during litigation should be under the regulation of the state and federal bar or legislation, unless it poses an imminent risk to the proceeding's integrity. It also maintained that potentially incorrect decisions by district courts could be corrected through a grant of new trials. In this landmark ruling, the court effectively put an end to unnecessary attempts for disqualification merely on weak ethical grounds, reminding that such actions could introduce unwarranted delays and potentially compromise public confidence in the judicial process. It adopted a more balanced, judicious approach towards handling legal disputes. This decision provided a critical path towards the preservation of fairness and efficiency in the judicial process.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.